Here we are. Okay guys, we're here at the Evarts Sawmill. A lot of buildings are gone, you can see. There's somebody down there. Cutting up some logs. There's some people still working down here, looks like. There's the office right there. Way up. Yeah, a lot of the buildings are gone here now. Not much left of it. I was gonna walk through it, but they might tell me to leave. I don't know. I don't think anybody will be down through here. But yeah, that's the Evarts Sawmill. What's left of it. There's that RV park right across from it. Look like there's some people here. This might be a short video. I would walk through it like I said, but they might get mad. So I'll sit here and try to show as much as I can from here. No building over there. There's the equipment. There's old equipment right there. I don't know if they tell me to leave or not. If I went through there, I don't know. But yeah, that's all that's left here, guys. The Evarts Sawmill. Zoom it out a little bit so you can see all of it. Yep, a lot of stuff is gone. There's the cabins right here across from the sawmill. We're gonna walk down here to this deck right here. There's a sign over here. Let's see what this sign says.
Down at Riverbend.
Riverbend.
Riverbend campground.
It's like, what does that say? Is that Woody's sign? How'd that get down here? What is it?
Well, looks like a number on it.
Yeah. What the hell that got here?
You know, he's friends with them.
Let's walk up this deck they built here. See over to the river.
And ducks. Got some ducks.
Oh yeah. Yep. Y'all ever come down here and camp out? And you sit here on this deck and look at the river.
Yeah.
The cabins. Look, little grill. Nice cabins though, ain't they? What do they call it now?
Riverbend campground.
Yeah.
That's the old sawmill.
Yeah. At the old Evarts Sawmill. Right across the road from it.
Pork product.
Guess we end it right here, guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you.